Hey everyone, it's Ukulele Teacher here. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Demons by Imagine Dragons on the ukulele. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you are liking all my videos, and comment down below some other videos ideas you want to see. As usual, make sure you have your U, and make sure that it is in standard tuning. These are the chords that you'll need for the song. If you already know all these chords, that is awesome. We can skip to a later portion of the video for strumming pattern and chord progression. Let's just get on with the tutorial. The first chord that you will need is a C. This is third finger on the third fret of the fourth string. The next chord is a G. This is second finger on the second fret of the fourth string, first finger on the second fret of the second string, and third finger on the third fret of the third string. The next chord is an A minor. This is just second finger on the second fret of the first string. The last chord is an F. This is second finger on the second fret of the first string and first finger on the first fret of the third string. Moving on to chord progression, we are going to be playing each note for 4 beats. So we have C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4. So basically, the strumming pattern for this song is down, tap, down, pause, tap, down, tap, down, pause, tap. Putting that with all the chords that we have down, now basically, I'm going to do a demo of the song. All the lyrics will be down here. If you want to sing or play along, feel free to do any of those. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, make sure to comment down below some other song tutorials you want to see. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.